Ever pull a pan of potatoes from the oven and half are mush while the others are still hard? That's usually a knife problem, not a recipe problem. In this video, we are practicing precision cuts. That means we're going to slow down and aim for clean, matching quarter-inch sticks and cubes. Think of this as training for your eyes and your hands. In a separate video, we'll switch to production cuts, where we trade a bit of precision for speed so you can get weeknight dinners done faster. For now, we are focused on control. The setup is always the same. Make a flat side so nothing can wobble around on you. Trim a thin slice off one side. And then flip it so the cut side is down. Now the potato grips the board and stays put. You can also cut the potato in half so that it's easier to work with. Now that you've done the setup, cut long slabs about a quarter-inch thick. For precision cuts, the only thing that matters is that they match. Same thickness all the way through. The speed comes later. Cut straight down to make long sticks, the same width as your slabs, about a quarter-inch. It's hard to fix these once they're cut, so slow down and aim to get each stick right the first time. And remember, it usually takes a few rounds of potatoes before your sticks start looking really square and even. These are your Batonnet, quarter-inch sticks. Perfect for oven fries or roasted potatoes that cook at the same pace. To get your small dice, we're just continuing the same pattern. Once you've got sticks, slice across them with the quarter-inch spacing. You're training your eye to see equal gaps and your hand to hit those gaps over and over. I recommend taking one stick and turning it sideways. Use it as a ruler so you can see exactly how big each final cut should be. One little trick you can use while you practice is to keep a familiar object nearby that's about the same size. For these cuts, a regular pencil is perfect. Keep it by your board and use it as a quick reference to check that your sticks and cubes are roughly the same thickness and width. So the pattern is simple. Set up your flat side, slice your slabs, cut your sticks, and then cut your sticks into cubes. Grab a bag of potatoes and repeat this a few times, and you'll see your knife control jump fast. If you want to skip 10 years of trial and error and get a simple guide with clear explanations, easy practice drills, and quick reference size charts, grab the Home Cook's Knife Confidence Guide. The best part is, it's free. Just drop your email so I know where to send it. The link is right below this video. When you click, you'll see a simple form. Fill it out, hit submit, and I'll email the guide to you in the next few minutes.